If you're a girly girl who likes to do girly things but may not want to spend a lot of money, let me show you my DIY maintenance routine where I do lashes, nails, hair, and makeup all in the comfort of my home.
We look a hot mess. We look broke, busted, and disgusted. This isn't it. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a glow up, and I'm going to do a DIY at-home glow up. We are going to be doing lashes. We're going to be doing nails. We're going to be doing hair, and we're going to finish it off with a cute little beat. And I'm trying to look cute. First off, we are going to do lashes. These are the lashes that I use. These are the B&Q. I use 14, I think it's millimeter. To be at 18, and then I was like, oof, let me calm down. I'm getting older. My favorite glue is I think it's called Gimmery glue. I'll have everything linked down below. It's one of my favorite lash products. I like the glue because it has the bond. So it has the side for the glue, so a side at the end to seal it. What I like to do is go in and try to get a layer of glue right by the base of your lashes. Because we're going to put glue on our lashes and we're going to put glue on the cluster itself. Cluster is wide, so you can use less. Who has time to sit there and put those small clusters? I don't. So I'm just going to put the glue, a decent amount of glue, on to the lash itself. And we're going to go underneath and try to get as close to the lash line. Perfect. On to the next, baby. Once the girl who was doing my lashes said that a full set for a hybrid was going to be $180, I was like, yeah, girl, absolutely not. Love you down, but absolutely not. That is more than my electric. That is more than my car insurance. That's more than my internet. Altogether, you're insane. And what I like to do is kind of like overlap them a little bit. You don't have to, but I like that kind of look. Oh my god, we almost blinded ourselves. It's okay. I used to have a fan. I don't know what I did with it. Yeah, we turning up. We're looking cute. Oh my god. Yeah, one more lash ought to do it. If you want that kind of cat eye, you can go like plan out your lash map where it's like 12, 14, 16 or however. I just like the look that I get when I use all 14. These tweezers are ticking me off, bro. I don't know if you guys are like super particular about your lashes like I am. Like, I don't want my eye to be pulled down. I try not to go all the way to the end. I try to take it in a little bit like that. See, I'm over here trying to act like I'm an expert, and I be really in here messing up too. I'm just a girl. But yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that is looking cute, cute, cute. We're gonna do this side. We're gonna come back. We're gonna finish it off. Okay. Look like I sat in somebody's chair for an hour and a half. But now we're gonna go in with the sealant. And what I like to do is just go in, laid the lash underneath, but keep it right along the lash line. You don't want to drag it in like your lash because then it'll leave like a weird white cast. And we don't want that. Press them in. Boom. It's going to help the glue and the sealant mesh together. They're going to last 3 weeks. Boom. Lashes done. Now let's get on to these nails. These are my nails. I did these like 2.5 weeks ago. They're not terrible. They're honestly lasting up, and these are press-ons. But it's time for something new. I want to try these Glamnetics. Hold on. Glamnetic has like these new nails. This is the First Kiss. This Prism. This pink French type of pink and gold design. But I am into the cat eye. You know how much it costs to go get a cat eye done on acrylics with gel? Insane. But they have like these pretty iridescent like white cat eye right up my alley, and these are the ones that we're going to be using. So we got to take these off. Okay, girl, we just soaking off our nails, so I'm just be sitting in some acetone. Let's just y'all, what's up with y'all? How's the new year starting? If you've been following my channel, or you know me, or you follow me on TikTok, you know that I'm in the Air Force and I am currently an ICU. I'm a medic, but I currently work in the ICU, and my 3 years is up. I will be finally leaving the ICU. Thank God. I am tired, and I'm going to Women's Health, where I will have a set schedule, a Monday through Friday. I'll get holidays off. I'll be working 7:30 to 4:30, and I'm so excited about that. I'm not excited about going to work every day because I don't mind shift work, but I do, and I like having those days off during the week, but I'm excited to be a normal person again, be on a normal schedule, and I feel like it'll just be more conducive for my life. Like with me and my dog, I won't have to feel guilty about leaving her in the house by herself for 12 hours. Like right when work is starting to get on my nerves, it's time to go home. And I will have no excuse when it comes to like working out and things like that, meal prepping and doing the things I need to do, because I have like a set schedule to get it done. And I can like have my reset days on Sundays, you know, plan out my days, meal prep on Sundays and things like that. So I'm really excited about that. Also, I'm dating. We're coming up on 2 months of being dating. We are currently exclusive. And I'm doing this, like I'm getting dressed and like getting cute because we're having a date night tonight somewhere. I don't know, probably gonna go to the city. It's gonna be real interesting. You know, Keith Lee just ended his food tour in the city, in the Bay Area. The people are mad. I'm like, it is what it is, because like, to be quite honest, eat me up in the comments, but I still ain't found a restaurant that's like worth a damn in the Bay Area, so he ain't said nothing but a word. What's up with y'all? How's dating? What y'all up to? Are y'all like, what's y'all goals for the new year? If you need some help with setting goals, or you know, not being overwhelmed by like New Year resolutions and things like that, I made a video with talking about like how I'm going to be achieving my goals, and I'm going to be using the 12-week plan. I'll link that up here as well that you can see. But yeah, I'm really interested to see what y'all up to. I'm about to take these nails off and then we're going to start doing our nails. Okay, our nails are finally clean.
If you're tired of paying all that money and getting your nails done and you want to try press-ons, the key to getting your press-ons to last a very long time, upwards to 3 weeks and more, is the prep work that goes into your actual nails. So you need to make sure that your cuticles are good. You need to be buffing your nails, clipping your nails, getting everything prepped. And the key before you even put on the glue is dehydrating your nails and putting a bonder that's going to help whatever glue you use to adhere so well, and your nails will last a long time. And if you do a job where you wash your hands consistently, I would try to use the UV glue because it just adheres longer than the regular glue, but you can do what you want. And last pro tip, if you really want them to last a very long time, you can add a layer of builder gel on there and cure it under your light for 60 seconds.
Ignore the lace, babe. We're gonna do something about that eventually. Loose blowouty type curls. We gon' see. I don't even know if this hair can curl like that. I don't know why I'm doing all of this either, because it's raining outside. I guess we could try to help it out with a little hairspray. Okay. Should I invest in like a air wrap or air wrap dupe or round brush type of device? Should I or should I not? Is it worth it? Because low-key, I'm a heatless girly. Just invested in a really good one. I'm waiting for it to come. But I will sleep in that heatless curl rod because the curls always eat. And you like curls, you should look into heatless curls if you haven't already. It's the easiest thing. Wrap that bad boy up at night. You got curls. For my deodorant dried up on my armpit, I swear, at least I don't stink. Hey, my favorite portion. Okay, I'm gonna be talking and I'm gonna be showing you how I do my everyday makeup look. First off, we are gonna go in with a primer. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Power Grip. Thick, like seriously thick. That means that all of the makeup product is gonna stick. I've been using a different product when it comes to my brows. I'm using the I think it's by Ellie. It is a soap brow product, their spoolie brush set, and I'm just gonna go in with the product and then I'm going to kind of brush it get it all incorporated in the hair. Brush my hairs up because we want the biggest brows. And then I'm going to shape them. They look a little crazy right now, but it's okay because we are going to fill them. This is stuff that I've always done. People always thought I was crazy for doing it, but it is what it is. I'm going to go in with the Rihanna Fenty Kilowatt, the liquid one, Honey Hottie. It's a really gold illuminator. And I'm just going to rub that in all over my face. That glow from within without being crazy. And it looks crazy like right now, but trust, it will be dealt with. We are going to powder our face. I'm using the Laura Mercier, the Ultra Blur. Oh my god, my brush got wet. No. Foundation, this is Minted. This is a foundation stick. Oh, like seriously, look at that. This is in the color M10. I think it's like more neutral. And then we are going to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Do you guys want like a full story of like how I met the guy that I'm dating? Like I met him online. I actually met him on Bumble, which I used to really be anti-Bumble. Like, I don't know. It was probably my fault because I always forgot. One, I never had my notifications on, and I always forgot to write the dudes. So, it just never worked. For me, I'm going to go back in with a little bit more. And yeah, I just always forgot. But this one, like literally I was getting ready to delete the app, and then we ended up did like one more swipe, and there he was. And yeah, we're almost at 2 months, and it's going well. Hold on. Now I'm going to be using 2 versions of the Minted concealers, 2 colors. First, I'm going to go in with CEO. I love this, the consistency of these concealers. Like, it's so smooth. And I'm going to go in with the color Peak Performance. It's a little bit more yellow, like without being like too yellow, if that makes sense. It's a nice yellow. I'm just going to go and just kind of emphasize my tail because it always cuts off a little bit. And then kind of like drag it a little bit more here because, and then we take our spoolie and kind of just like brush it up, and it's going to make it look more real. I would say the difference between dating now and dating in the past is like it's exciting a little bit. Maybe because I'm not putting as much emphasis on it like I used to do. This go around, I'm just trying to focus on like not settling just because I'm feeling like I need to hurry up, and really trying to hone in on who would actually make a great partner, who would actually be a good father, like really figure it out, because I am in crunch time and I just don't have time to get it wrong. Now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and kind of just like smooth out anything that needs to be smoothed out, but I'm gonna leave my nose highlight. This concealer, oh my god, it blows my mind every time. I'm gonna go in with Say Beauty Sun Melt. It's in the color Dark Bronze. I've always used this product. I always like a bronzer, but it's cool enough to be like a contour for me. Contour our nose. I know I hate that saying whenever people are like, it happens when you least expect it, because I hate that. But honestly, like I wasn't expecting, like I was literally getting ready to delete my Bumble account. I really wasn't trying to date or anything like that, and then this person just like popped out of the blue. But I think also with this, I didn't like go into it like, oh my god, this person is going to be the love of my life. I was just like, oh, let's see what happens. It's been like easy going, and I'm trying not to put so much pressure on myself, which then puts pressure on the situation. I'm kind of just like taking it by the moment and seeing what happens. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Pro Filter 490 mixed in with a little bit of the Micro Smooth by Sephora. This pan I'm not even going to show you because it's like half dead and I don't think that they have it in stock, so I need to go get an alternative. I think it just takes a little bit of pressure whenever you're dealing with someone who actually knows what they want and isn't trying to, you know, go with the flow. Like, I feel like whenever you hear go with the flow, you automatically think like, oh my god, this person's about to waste my time. But it's different whenever someone is like being very intentional, like they are calling to set up dates, they are communicating with you like every day. Like, it's not like you have to beg someone to like communicate with you. They don't go ghost. They actually want to see you, actually want to date you, take you on actual real dates, you know, where you get dressed, you go out somewhere. Like, there's no playing games. So it's easier whenever you have that, it's easier to actually go with the flow and let things happen organically how they're going to happen when you know that the person isn't playing around in your face, if that makes sense. Oh, like set where you put concealer, and I like to reverse contour as well. We're gonna dust off all the powder. I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty right at the tops and then a little dot on my nose. If you are wanting to find a partner, take a little step back and get really intentional about like what it is that you want. Write it down. Don't diverge from that plan. We are not fixing anyone. Cut out the first time. You shouldn't be trying to convince someone to act right for you. The person who you're supposed to be with is going to act right for you. My setting spray. We're gonna come back and we're going to do get ready with me like clothes wise. Okay, this is how we're looking. Very simple, cute little top. This is H&M. These pants are from Target. If you're sleeping on Target jeans, like what are you doing? These little socky boots are from TJ Maxx, I believe. This necklace, the heart necklace, is from Ana Luisa. I got this from Etsy. Got my name made on a necklace, Etsy, and I got this in Qatar. Earrings, Ana Luisa. Watch. The band is from, it's an Apple Watch, but the band is from Amazon. Everything linked. Yeah, this is a simple, casual date night look. Because we're just going to hot pot. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye. Love you.